Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can recover already deleted boards and whiteboard presentations in Miro. So let us dive right into it. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to Miro, and there are basically two different ways how you can restore already deleted boards. So let's assume you accidentally deleted a board and now you'd like to restore it. So option number one would be to navigate to the trash folder inside your team here on Miro. You will find it by clicking into your profile icon in the top right and by navigating to the trash folder here. However, guys, you will only be able to access the trash folder with another membership than I am having right now, as you can see. So I don't have access to these deleted boards, as you can see. So that's one way. From there, from the trash folder, you'll be able to restore these boards and add them back to your overview or list of boards. Option number one would be to make a backup of your boards first before you delete them, of course. So make sure that you perform these backups frequently so that you can at any time restore your accidentally deleted board. So I'd like to perform a backup, guys. Let me go with that Kanban here. For instance, click into these three dots in your board overview and select download board backup. And there you go. However, guys, that option as well or function is not available within my membership, so I can't do that here for demonstration purposes, but it is technically possible, as you can see, guys. So there are these two options: accessing the trash folder, restoring deleted boards from there, and also conducting regularly these backups of boards to restore them, for example, as separate files from your device. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.